our clients who used to live in the city took an informed decision to move away from the hustle and bustle. When they decided to move here, the prices were almost 1/3. That means you would get 3 times the property.
From 500 meters away, he wanted the view of the sea. We had to do this stairway, which actually takes you up till you find the view, and hence the name 150 steps up to the sea.
આ જે લોકેશન છે આનાથી દરિયો એકદમ નજીક છે, 200, 300, 400 મીટર પર હશે અને આના આગળ જ CRZ ચાલુ થાય છે જ્યાં બાંધકામ થઈ શકતું નથી. તો ધીસ ઇઝ ધ લાસ્ટ લેન્ડ કે જ્યાં તમે ડેવલપ કરી શકો ઇન ફૂલ FSI.
This area is called Sultanabad and used to be a lot of havelis of the Nawabs in this region. And this particular piece of land also had a haveli much before when the property came into the hands of the client. The rubbles of the old property, and that is what we caged into these gabion walls, turned into the memory of the old haveli.
So our first move was to create a buffer from this roadside, and that became our entrance passage. You come in through the buffer and you have the second space, which is the puja and the entrance. We're using a very simple system of cables and counterweight to attach these 3 doors together, which are the entrance doors, and you push once, and with the counterweights the others start to move.
We've used the natural grain of the wood and have carved this handle out of it. For the entire project, the recycled teak wood, which we got for 50% of the price of the new, and naturally seasoned and good for another 50 years.
Entrance, which is on one side directly connected to the kitchen, and on the other side it's connected to the main living areas. The central space is then courtyard, which is then filled with the staircase.
And then Gurjit threw one more challenge. We want the light all the way till the basement.
ડે ટાઈમમાં તો કોઈ દિવસ અમારે લાઇટ ચાલુ કરવી જ પડતી નથી, ઇવન બેઝમેન્ટ.
Easier said than done. Fine, we designed. We made the simulations, showed it to Gurjit, and then he's like, what about these 2 months in the winters? I'm like, there's something called sunpath. We created the entire skylight with the reflectors to get in the light in those 2 months of the year.
કે જેમાં ઉપર એમને કાચ મૂક્યો છે અને રિફ્લેક્ટર મૂક્યું છે કે જેમાં તે રિફ્લેક્ટ થઈને સન કોઈ પણ દિશામાં હોય પણ એની લાઇટ પૂરા બંગલામાં આવે છે.
And then we have the dining on the other side, which is more private, and that gets connected to the kitchen as well. Next to this, living onto the deck. So we established this relation with the nature. You have the trees on this side, you have the water on this side, swimming pool deck.
Family time is more with the kids and the family. We play games. અમે games રમીએ બધી આઉટડોર આટલું ફાઇન અમારી પાસે ગાર્ડન છે, so whole family comes together.
They have the possibility of leaving their wall open so that you can have this connection at all times of the day.
The spatial tubes are made out of these 4-inch thick concrete walls which sit lightly on these massive stone walls. The open ends of the tube allows the sea breeze to pass effortlessly between the spaces.
મારી પહેલી રિક્વાયરમેન્ટ હતી કે મને બહારના ટેમ્પરેચર કરતાં કમસે કમ 4-5 ડિગ્રી ઓછું જોઈએ. કારણ કે આટલો મોટા લેન્ડમાં હું મોર ગાર્ડન અને લેસ કન્સ્ટ્રક્શન ઈચ્છતો હતો. બીજું કે રૂમના દરેક કનેક્શન અને તે પણ દાદરને બ્રેક કર્યા વગર, સેન્ટ્રલ કોર્ટયાર્ડને બ્રેક કર્યા વગર, એ બહુ મેઇન બ્યુટી છે.
The master bedroom looks out into the landscape on this side, and in the same direction it looks out from under the bedroom onto the deck.
તો એમને દરેક બાથરૂમ, ઈચ એન્ડ એવરી બાથરૂમ વિથ ઓટીએસ આપ્યો છે. બંગલાના કોઈ બી ખૂણામાંથી તમે જોશો તો તમને ગમતી વસ્તુ દેખાશે, તમને સ્વિમિંગ પુલ દેખાશે, તમને ગ્રીનરી દેખાશે, તમને ગાર્ડન દેખાશે, નહીં કે રોડ દેખાશે. મારા બંગલામાંથી કોઈ પણ સોલિડ વસ્તુ દેખાતી જ નથી. મારો પ્રોફેશનલ જ્વેલરી છે, એટલે ઘર પણ અમે એક જ્વેલરી રીતે જ બનાવડાવ્યું છે. ગુરુજીત સરે એટલી મહેનત કરી છે.
The rough concrete walls are offset by polished Indian limestone flooring, which feels cool and soothing under the bare feet. The entire house is made out of these saw-cut wooden formwork, which gives the warmth of the wood in the interiors without adding any other additional layer on top of it. These walls of memory are made out of stone, which is a local basalt stone we got from about 50 kilometers from the city of Surat. They are hammer cut and laid on top of each other. One challenge after the other, he threw one more. Now divide the house in this strange odd number that he gave us. Every panel that you see, every floor grid that you see, every third step will meet that grid. And that's that weird number he threw it at us.
Yeah, so it's a secret number, and let it remain a secret. While we were constructing the building and the debris was cleared from the site, we found a small freshwater well in the site itself. It was very rare to find a freshwater well so close to the salt water of the sea. And we convinced the clients that we must make a gesture out of this. The house became a manifestation of this journey from the well up to the rooftop.
અને એ જે સ્ટેપ્સ છે, આઉટર સ્ટેપ્સ બંગલાના, તમે એ સ્ટેપ્સ બધી જોશો તો બહારના સ્ટેપ્સ, અંદરના સ્ટેપ્સ, કૂવાના સ્ટેપ્સ, એ બધા જ એક લાઇનમાં આર્કિટેક્ચર રીતે મર્જ થાય છે.
And the total number of steps that one traverses between the two is 150 up to the sea.